Nag-chat na si Father Peter nga naluto na daw iyang recipe. Atong tilawan unsa kay lami ato. Okay? Tala. Gaulan, perfect. Sabaw nga init. Atong atuon. Father Peter. Hello. 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 Mga seminarians nato. Oh wow. Thank you.
We don't think that's you. So we don't.
Is that fish with noodles? And this is balut. According to Father Peter, pila bay gamay? Gamay lang ani? Kana. Okay na ni. Okay, so unsa gani ni siya bay? What is this, Father Peter? What is this?
It's many kind of ingredients inside.
Many ingredients. Salt,
And chili,
pepper, onion, ginger,
and the leaf of the lemon. And
calamansi.
Yeah.
Okay. So I already put a little
Yes.
here.
Yes.
So what's next?
You have to put this.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's the main thing.
Wow, that's the main thing.
Yeah, the main thing.
How about that
This is
sausawan?
Yeah, this is very good to eat with fish. When you
Okay.
eat with-
Okay. Sige.
Yeah.
So do we have to mix the leaves here?
Yeah, yes.
Mix.
Yes, you mix it.
Sige, sample.
And so, this.
Put more. Put more.
If you release your fat away, you will be a model.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. Sige, to sulayan ni kaon ha. Grabe bay. Dara oh. So mao ni ang balot nga naay katong mixture sa wag ko kasabot. Dahon dungagan daw. Mo ni mga dahon. Magpait yun ni. Wala. Sa ito ngalan ani nga dahon ba? Gani? Vietnamese coriander. Okay. Vietnamese coriander di ay ang ngalan sa dahon. So, dara. Okay. Balut with dahon and spices nga giandam ni Father Peter. Pero of course, bag-o gyapon sa tuwa dili Pilipino because naamay dahon i-apil. Look at that, no? Dahon i-mix na siya sa balut ug naay katong spices, no, nga gihimo ni Father Peter nga dili masabtan unsa ni. Pero somehow lami siya, no? Very Vietnamese yun kaayo ang iyahang timpla. Halang siya. So,
Yes.
ano yung mga igsoon ng balut with dahon.
Yes. So you later you finish and you.
Lumi. Wow.
Magulay.
Kuan. Kanilang timpla talaga.
Pang talagang kanila.
Talagang Vietnamese. Wow. Yara po ang tabaw na isda with noodles. Father Peter, say bangkwekum.
Bangkwekum.
Okay. Bangkwekum is the Vietnamese greeting for how are you, my friend? Am I right?
Yes.
How are you, my friend?
So good. You speak Vietnamese so well now. So well now.
Wow. Halang parat nga ilahag yung timpla. Di yung Pilipino. Yeah. Yeah. Hindi kayo. Ilahag yung timpla. Ilahag yung timpla. Anang halang naagyoy typical Vietnamese nga spice, no? Kana ilahag yung mga spices na combination dara. So lami gid sa mga igsoon. Lami gid sa kaayo. Isda with noodles and balut and dahon and spices. Okay. Yung sunod kong kaon ha. God bless.